everyone and welcome. My name is Reza Nadimi and today I will be presenting my capstone project, a full stack dynamic personal portfolio website. The goal of this project was to move beyond a simple static resume. I wanted to build a robust interactive web application from the ground up to demonstrate my skills in both engineering and modern software development. Let's dive in. Before we tour the site, let's quickly look at the technologies that power it. The backend is built with Python using the popular micro framework Flask. For the database, I chose SQLite because it's lightweight and perfect for this scale, and I manage it using Flask-SQLite SQLAlchemy extension. The frontend uses standard HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. With Bootstrap 5, ensuring the entire site is clean, modern, and fully responsive on any device. For key features like the contact form and email notifications, I integrated Flask-WTF for security and Flask-Mail for communications. Uh, here is the live application. The homepage serves as a clean landing page introducing who I am and providing clear navigations. The About and Education pages provide more detail on my background, my passion for mechatronics, and my academic achievements at Sharif and Tabriz universities. On Project and Skills page, I showcase my practical work like the mobile firefighter robot and my FEM analysis project. This section gives a visitor real sense of my capabilities. And now for the first major interactive feature. The contact form is more than just a simple front end form. When a user fills this out and clicks send, two things happened on backend simultaneously. First, the message along with sender's details and a timestamp is saved directly and securely into our SQLite database. Second, the application's mail server instantly sends a notification email directly to my personal inbox, ensuring I never miss an inquiry. The secure admin panel. This brings me to the most complex feature of the application, a secure private admin panel. There's no public link to this. To access it, I have to manually navigate to the /login route. This page is protected by full authentication system using the credentials stored in the application's configuration. I can log in. Once authenticated, I am redirected to this admin dashboard. This table displays all the messages that have been saved to the database, read live, and sorted by the most recent. This allows me to manage all communications without ever needing to leave the site or use a separate database tool. If I log out, my session is cleared and the page becomes inaccessible again. I want to briefly touch on two key architectural decisions that were important for the project's quality. First, to protect the admin panel, I wrote a custom required login decorator. This is a powerful Python feature that lets me secure any page on the site by simply adding one line of code above its root definition. It automatically handles checking the user's session and redirecting them if they aren't logged in. Second, for security, no passwords or secret keys are hard-coded. I use a .env file to manage all sensitive data. The application loads this variable at runtime, and the .env file itself is included in the .gitignore, so it's never uploaded to GitHub. This is a standard industry best practice. You can access to this website's full code in my GitHub @Reza XR14. In conclusion, this project was a fantastic journey in building a complete full-stack application. It combines a professional front-end with a secure database-driven backend and demonstrates key principles of modern web development. This site is built to be scalable, and I have already planned feature improvements like making project section fully dynamic and managed from the admin panel. Thank you so much for your time, and I would be happy to answer any questions you may have. This was CS50s. Hope you all doing good.